Privacy is important to me because because people won't make judgments of me and it's none of their business.
Privacy is important because people can't steal your information.
Privacy is important because if someone gathered your information, it could damage your chances of getting a job or buying a house.
I hate her too. I can't believe she sent you out to class for doing nothing.
I know, right? She's the worst teacher ever. She's probably just annoyed that she looks like Shrek. Sorry. Gotta go. Be right back after lunch.
She left it on.
Oh my god, look what she said about the teacher.
Let's message your teacher. She don't think it's from Maya.
Already on it.
She's gonna be in so much trouble.
Yeah.
Maya, can you explain to me why you've been sending me these hurtful messages, please?
I didn't, sir. I never sent anything to you or the other teachers.
I'm not buying it. We're going to have to call your parents in to talk about this. It's not just this. It's your attitude in class. It's your attitude towards other boys and girls. It's your behaviour, approach to all of your work in class at the moment.
We all have the right to privacy.
In class, our friends have personal space. We need to stay out of their personal space. Personal space is like a bubble that surrounds each of my classmates and teachers.
On my back. Oh, I'm sorry. So uncomfortable?
I'm sorry.